Hi everyone, SD Mountain Man. I got mail call from Ron T. Sawyer. Thanks, Ron. He sent an email, so I know what's going on here. It's the Bill Melton traveling flint and steel. I'm very honored to be part of this. It warms my heart to be part of this. It really does. Excuse my other projects here, stuff going on here. I gotta get the plastic out of my forge. So we got the jute twine and the bottle opener, striker, slash striker. That thing's a beast. Crazy. That's sweet. Where is everybody getting this? I've seen other people have this big jute twine. That's crazy. I can't find it around here anywhere. My stuff's just a little tiny little stuff you tie tomato plants to a stick or whatever with. It's not like that. Fat wood. Bellows. Looks like we got a journal. Ron T. Sawyer stickers, and looks like Connecticut Backcountry patches. Awesome. And here's the famous tinder bag. Man, that's awesome. I've got one I bought here. My dad did some leather work and told me where a place in Sioux Falls where to get leather. And so I bought a little chunk of deer hide, not knowing what I was going to do with it, but got it anyway. And I've got a circle. I think I used like a coffee can or something like that. I put down just to draw a circle. And my plan was to do something like this. So I gotta do that. That's cool. Very cool striker. Oh, there's a flint in here. Oh, red. Wild. Very cool. Never seen that before. A bunch of different pieces of flint there. And char cloth. So I'll be doing my Fatwood Fired Up Friday. It'll be Bill Melton style flint and steel. And so here's a journal. Have a drink with Bill. Hashtag Bill Melton Flint and Steel. So that's how I'll post this video, as hashtag Bill Melton Flint and Steel mail call. And then I'll do the same thing with the next the Fired Up Friday. It'll be hashtag Bill Melton Flint and Steel. And go from there. And Ron, I see you put a message in here already, so I'll add below you, and we'll go from there. Gonna have to figure out who gets it next. I don't know if I need to get with Ron, or just leave something in the comments on the actual fire, maybe. We'll go from there, I guess. But good stuff. Really proud to be part of this. Really am. Bill, you're missed, buddy. That's about it. Take care, everybody. SD Mountain Man out.